guys, it's Kelly. So, right here we have a big old box from Gabriella Plants. This is my first order from them. And yeah, I'm going to share with you what I got. When you first open it, you get a little sticker smile. Your plant has arrived home. So that's exciting. I am excited to see, ooh, we have something, how they're packed and how well they do. Yeah, so I've seen a whole bunch of other reviews, or I guess unboxings from this place. And yeah, so I decided I was going to do it before it got too cold. This will probably be my last purchase, my last plant purchase of the season, just because it's gonna get cold soon and I don't want to buy dead plants, you know what I mean. Alright, so I don't know if I could do this one-handed, and I don't have my tripod with me. Alright, so we will see. That was easy enough. So they're wrapped in like this cloth sock type thing, and then there is some styrofoam around it. So I mean, so far that's a good, I'm just gonna cut it. That's like a good wrap job. And I guess we'll just pull it down. Can we just pull it up? Oh, we can if we just rip it a little bit. Can I do this one-handed, guys? I don't know. We got it. Alright, we got this. Alright, the first one is... okay, a little smaller than I thought, but... it's alright. This is a Hoya Australis. Okay, so as you could see, they're in a 4-inch pot nursery with some floof around the top. This looks like the soil's still wet. Now it's kind of like really wet, but okay. Let's pull this off. Try not to make a mess, but it's whatever. We're gonna have to clean anyway, right? Alright, so I got this guy because I wanted to add this to my small Australis that I have, that I imported from Thailand, and have a bigger pot of it. And yeah, so I got that. Oh, hold on, my cat is demanding attention. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, cutie. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, back to the plants. So, this Australis was $15. And that's not a bad price, I don't think. It's really hard to get Hoyas now anyway. And it was under my $20 plant budget, so I got it. Alright, so there's that, the first one. Let's do this guy next, maybe? Okay, they're all going to open differently. Alright, we're not doing too bad with this opening one-handed thing. Here we go. And this is a Philodendron. It is the Imperial Green Hybrid. So I told you I'm kind of on a Philodendron kick, and I just think I wanted to complete the different colors. So this is, I believe this is more of like the bushy kind of Philodendron. So they're always so wobbly. It always makes me so nervous. I'm gonna get some stakes later and put them in to help hold it steady. So there's the second one. Let's try to contain the mess to one spot, right? Alright. This guy's got a tendril. This guy's in a green pot. You could do it. Come on. Come on. Okay, so this is the Hoya Vertusa. And we got one long tendril and then like a little bush of probably some plugs. I had this one plant once a while ago and it just died flat out. So hopefully this one will last a little longer. Will you focus? So the tendril is still alive, so that is good. We do have some yellowing leaves, and the soil is kind of really wet. So we're gonna ignore it. That's what we do when we get wet plants. We ignore them, put them under some grow lights or on a heating mat to help dry out the soil, especially for plants that aren't crazy about having really wet soil. So half of it is yellow, half of it is still green. Hopefully some of it lives. So we have that so far. My cat is staring at that one. Leave the plant alone. Leave it alone. Alright, so I got a total of 6 plants. And we have this one right here. This one has a lot of tape. Sorry. Oh, can you see it? Back to the white pots. Just have to rip a little bit at the bottom. I think I'm doing really good with this one-handed plant reveal. Just saying. Alright, so this is the Philodendron. This is, I believe this is the black Cardinal or the Imperial Red. I wish they had tags, but we'll see, because I got both, so we'll put them next to each other to see which one looks like which. But so my guess is going to be this is the black Cardinal. I feel like it looks really green on the screen, but it's a darker color. Yeah, see, maybe that helps it. Alright. On to the next. Come on. Alright. You good? Pull that up. I will say the packing's not bad, like at all. I kind of like this packing. Oh, we got a black nursery pot. Ooh. And this one is the Philodendron Wendempi? Something like that. Wendempi. Look at that. That is cute. We have a little bit of discoloration on some of the tips, but that's a nice full plant. This one's a good one. I am pleased with this one. And see, this one, the soil is not that wet. I'm going to give you a quick, you can just see just by the color. Ooh, let me get out of the shadow. Well, let me get out of the way, the light. You can see this soil is a lot darker than this soil. It's also more of a plant, so this plant is probably soaking up more water than this one stalk of philodendron, but it's alright. Okay. And we have a big mess we have to clean, sorry. If we can just avoid knocking over all the peanuts, I think we'll be good. Alright, the last one. Back to the white pot. Alright, so this is okay, so is this the, now I don't know, this might be the black cardinal. This leaf looks a little sickly on screen, but it's not. Okay, so hold on, let me get the Wendempi out of the way. I have this one and this one. Alright, so yeah, this one actually I think is the Imperial Red hybrid. And I'm going to say this one is the Black Cardinal. I think the Black Cardinal overall has darker, when the leaves go back to green, it's darker anyway. So, alright. Philodendron, Black Cardinal. Philodendron, Imperial Red hybrid. So, alright. And we will pull off this fluff. Check out this soil. And yeah, it's wet. And, yeah. Alright. I hate when, and this, like, the leaves are still wet on this guy. It's concerning. But, hopefully, it survives. Alright, so let's just line up our spoils of the day. Put the littler ones in the front. We'll separate you guys. Bam, bam. Bam. Okay. Hoya Australis, Hoya Vertusa, Philodendron Wendempii, Philodendron Black Cardinal, Philodendron Green Congo, and the Philodendron Imperial Red hybrid. Or this is, sorry, is the Imperial Green. Yeah, Imperial Green, Imperial Red, Black Cardinal, Wendempii, Australis, Vertusa. Alright. So this is my last haul of the season, guys. It's been fun. Until spring. Relax, plant, and peace out.